The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated action camera releases in years, with early leaks pointing to a transformative leap rather than a minor upgrade. Rumors suggest that Insta360 is aiming to redefine what a compact action camera can achieve, positioning this model as a true professional-grade tool. With an expected price tag potentially reaching above the $600 to $700 range, the Ace Pro 3 appears to be targeting creators who demand top-tier performance, advanced AI features, and cinematic image quality. Although the company has not yet confirmed any details, insiders claim it may become one of the most powerful and revolutionary cameras of 2025. The likely release window is projected between late 2025 and early 2026, following the momentum built by the Ace Pro 2, which launched in October 2024. This next-generation model is rumored to push boundaries in nearly every category, thanks in part to Insta360's renewed partnership with Leica, re-established in March 2025. This collaboration has fueled speculation that the Ace Pro 3 will feature major optical and sensor improvements, giving creators sharper, cleaner, and more accurate visuals in all conditions. One of the most exciting leaks hints at a new triple AI processor, a major upgrade from the dual-chip design of its predecessor. This leap in processing power could allow the camera to handle real-time video enhancement, more advanced object tracking, and intelligent automatic editing right from the device. With this type of onboard AI capability, the Ace Pro 3 may feel less like a traditional action camera and more like a portable production studio that can adjust, optimize, and even assemble footage on the fly. Sensor upgrades are also a major part of the rumors, with expectations of a 60 to 70 megapixel larger sensor compared to the 50 megapixel 1/1.3-inch sensor used previously. This would naturally improve low-light performance and allow for more cinematic nighttime footage with richer detail and less noise. Perhaps the biggest highlight so far, however, is the suggestion that the Ace Pro 3 could support 8K 60 frames per second video recording, a specification that no mainstream action camera currently offers at this level. If accurate, this would give creators unmatched clarity, flexibility in post-production, and breathtaking immersive footage. In addition to pure resolution, other rumored enhancements include better compression efficiency, refined color science, and a wider dynamic range. The new AI hybrid autofocus system may introduce eye tracking, predictive focus, subject locking, and impressive 0.1-second lock-on, even in low-light situations. Stabilization is also expected to take a major leap with an AI-powered multi-axis system that could outperform GoPro's Hypersmooth and DJI's Rocksteady. Predictive stabilization could bring results so smooth that gimbal-like footage becomes possible straight from the camera. From a design standpoint, the Ace Pro 3 is expected to maintain Insta360's rugged, waterproof build while offering improved ergonomics, a larger and more responsive rear touchscreen, and a broader ecosystem of accessories. New modular magnetic mounts may increase versatility for creators who switch between handheld, helmet, bike, or drone setups. Battery life is also rumored to improve significantly thanks to a higher capacity cell and smarter power management, optimized for long 8K recording sessions. If these leaks prove accurate, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 could become the new benchmark for action cameras, a hybrid device capable of replacing multiple filmmaking tools at once. With excitement growing rapidly, many believe it could soon become the most desired camera for filmmakers, vloggers, adventurers, and travelers around the world.